Here at Radiocrafts in Norway, we discovered a few years ago that Sub-GHz mesh technology is ideal for smart irrigation systems, so we decided to investigate this application further. I'm here with our RF expert Thomas. Can you explain to us, Thomas, why Sub-GHz mesh is ideal for the next generation smart irrigation systems?
Yes, Sub-GHz RIIM Mesh is optimal for smart irrigation. The lower frequency gives better penetration into vegetation, and mesh gives an alternative routing if devices can't reach its controller. Additionally, we see that Sub-GHz mesh can give drastically lower latency than other technologies. For example, when LoRa uses about a minute to turn on or off a valve, Sub-GHz RIIM Mesh can do that in about a second.
We have developed an easy-to-use evaluation kit enabling you to see for yourself the benefits of Sub-GHz mesh technology for smart irrigation. The kit contains one controller and 3 mesh routers. One board is connected to a PC, the 3 other boards are placed on the testing area. The boards are powered with AA batteries to showcase the low power consumption of the mesh technology. Each of the mesh routers are capable of forwarding packets to the controller, while at the same time controlling locally connected valves or reading irrigation probes and flow meters. Feel free to contact us to get your own kit. We went out on the local farm here in Norway to test the devices in an actual environment. Thomas, can you tell me a bit about the tests we performed?
We did a range test and some latency measurements over both 1 and 2 hops. The range we got was equal to about 1500 meters or about 5000 feet free sight. With some terrain, that means a line of sight plus about 10%. We did this test with both devices mounted on the ground and about a meter above ground. And we see about twice the area covered when the devices are a meter above ground. The latency for 1 hop was averaging about half a second, with 2 hops averaging about a second. This was done with 25 milliwatt modules. In the USA, it's possible to use an output power of half a watt, giving probably 4 times the range. Because this is mesh technology, the total area covered by mesh nodes will then be much greater. The system can operate with nodes that are up to 28 hops away. For example, every new irrigation probe that you add onto the system can further increase the coverage of the controller. This is a very powerful concept.
Thank you.